Hello everybody, haven't seen me for a long time. Is that in the way? I'm going to move that out of the way. I haven't been on for a while because we had the grandchildren, his lordship's granddaughters and his daughter across for the weekend, and he wanted to make it special because he wasn't going to be seeing them till after Christmas, and he wanted to have a little Christmas party. So they arrived on the Friday night, stayed till the Sunday evening, and he organised a little Christmas dinner, a Christmas buffet on the Saturday night, and we played some party games, and they thoroughly enjoyed themselves. So I think he was a happy bunny because he had given them a really special weekend. And so I haven't vlogged at all. I think that I did spend Saturday trying to get some vlogs up for you. I put 2 up on the Saturday, but I haven't done Sunday, and it's now Monday evening and I haven't done the Monday. Today we've been to visit his mother, who isn't too bad. She's still doing a lot more sleeping than she usually does. We arrived in the afternoon, and I know afternoons they often fall asleep anyway after they've had their lunch. We didn't get much sense out of her. She was I don't think she recognises us now, so but we had a little chat with her, even though it was gobbledygook. We had a little chat with her, and then because we'd seen the girls over the weekend, we didn't go and take them for their tea, for a coffee or a cake, so we just came home. And so I'm back. Well, I'm saying early, we sat and watched the television. It's now 9:10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to put the yesterday's and today's Jackie Lawson's advent calendar together, so you can see what they're like. And you've only missed one. Julie, I can never pronounce that lady's name. What's her name? Juliana Martejevs advent calendar, which is the sewing patterns. You've only missed one. There might be another one tomorrow, because one came when I opened it up this morning. It was there this morning, so I'll show you what that one is. I think it comes on odd days, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and today is the 11th. Yeah, so you've seen the 9th, and you're only going to see the one, and then tomorrow she doesn't send one anyway, so I'll put that up. And so I'm not going to stay very long. I haven't really felt like vlogging, to be honest. I'm feeling a bit bleh about it. I'm thinking, do I really want to vlog? I don't know why. I don't know. I've lost the impetus this year. I don't know that it's that I've lost the impetus this year, is that I've noticed that a lot of people are getting, I think people are getting bored of YouTube, and I think they're starting to turn to Instagram instead, because they're short spurts of videos, or you can follow somebody through like that. And I do tend to go on Instagram a lot more than I do YouTube, so I'm kind of, it's taking a lot to make me get up and do something. But I will keep going, because I have a faithful following who like to watch me, who like to see what we're up to. What have I been doing? I've been pulling out all my Christmas decorations again, and I came across this that I made. This was my daughter-in-law made one of these, and I quite liked it. And basically she got a polystyrene ring, made loads and loads of pom-poms, red, white and green, and stuck them on. Now I did put some flowers on, but I've taken them off this year, and I'm debating what I should do with it. I've got a little hanger that I put in there, if you can see, a little hanger, but I've got to do it up some more. I had some flowers stuck in there. The plastic bits are still stuck in there, and so I'm going to make use of that, probably hang it on my garden gate. Anyway, I'm going to catch you hopefully tomorrow. Bye. Well, this one is the willow skirt, and the way they've designed it is it's got this curve that goes round there, and this bit actually hangs lower than the rest of the skirt. I'm not sure if I like that. It's an asymmetric midi skirt, and if I go down, let's go page down. Here we are. Here's some views of it. That one there, I don't know if I like that. It looks weird. This one here, if I can, they've used different fabric there. I suppose it's a good way of using any spare offcuts of fabric that you have where you might not have enough to make a skirt, but you could make combine two pieces together. The only thing I don't like is the way that one side is quite like there, one side is short and that side comes down, and the same thing happens at the back. You've got a long piece and a short piece. It's a bit too overly trendy for me, if you ask me. She's offering 10% discount off your next purchase. Currently, to be honest, apart from that jumper that I showed you yesterday, I can't say I'm too impressed by the patterns that she's doing. But you never know. We're only into day 11. I think this is the 4th or 5th pattern. Maybe it might improve.